Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, you are so welcome. Before that, go and subscribe to my YouTube, click on the notification bell, drop your comment, like my videos and share my videos, okay? So yes, let's talk about conversation. Yeah, let's talk, okay? Yeah, okay, now let me tell you, as much as I hate to say it, sex is easy, okay? But in other words, intimacy is difficult. It's very hard. Do you know why? Because it requires a lot of openness. It requires self-disclosure. It requires a lot of it requires a lot of sadness, pain, fears, and then a lot of dreams too. So it takes so much for someone to intimately bring his or herself out there for you. It takes so much strength, it takes so much energy to do that. So when you see someone that is doing that, really value the person because it takes so much for someone to come out vulnerable to you 100%. Okay, so now let's talk about tips. You want to venture into after sex talk. Okay, now hear this. Say it is okay that after sex you get to talk to your partner, most especially for ladies, because probably you might like really have meet a guy for the first time, and then somehow sex happened, and then you see after sex you don't even know your stand. So it is okay to have a talk with that person. Yes, because see that at that point, that one thing sex does to you is that it opens a different door of vulnerability. That's the point like you take to it deepens the intimacy, and then that's the time like you bring out to build that relationship with the person. Okay, you guys get to interact with each other because at that point you both are vulnerable, you both are intimately involved. So it is okay to bring yourself outside, and then it's okay to deepen your thoughts, interact with this person and know your stand, know if this is going to work, know your place. So if it's something for you to go and let it go, probably it didn't mean much to him or it was just a fling and a bling, you know. So it is okay to have an after sex talk. Yes, it is okay. That's when a lot of people open up sincerely. So now let's talk about guide on after sex talk. You can call it the pillow talk. Okay. So now the first I feel is acknowledge your partner's effort to please you. Like I said, it takes so much for someone to bring his or herself out there for you. So there's need for you to acknowledge them. You did so well. I love the way like you really handle me. I love the way you really do so much and I love it. Keep it up. I like this, but I would like to pleasure you more. What do I do? What gets your attention? What more do you want from me? It's still okay to ask questions. Acknowledge the fact that they want to please you. It takes the grace of God for someone to please you. So for the fact that they are putting in a lot of effort and you're seeing it, a compliment goes a long way. You compliment them, you appreciate them. Yes, you appreciate them. It is okay. Second one we're going to talk about, okay, learn to express how being with that partner makes you feel. Express being with you makes me feel a certain way, makes me feel like this, it makes me want to do this. And compliment them. Yes, intimacy depends so much because that's it. Most time, intimacy helps you to realize that you want to be with this person. I'm telling you, it helps you. And you're like, man, okay, well, with this person, I have a certain bond. We really like understand ourselves intimately. And even when I want to talk to her, she just catches up. You see, intimacy helps you understand a lot of things about your partner. So there's need for you to express how you feel when you're with that person. And it is still okay for the lady or for the guy in question to ask you, how do you feel about us? At that point, you guys can talk. You guys should be able to express yourself. So it's still okay. It's very okay that you feel a certain way and you are able to talk about it. Compliment her. Don't cease to compliment her. Compliment her. Tell her how you feel. Third one going to talk about. Talk about your vision with the person. Your vision, where you think the relationship is headed to, what plans, what you want to do. Okay, talk about it. If you feel from your aspect, from your end, you feel like, okay, this relationship, I really want it to be a long relationship, a long-term relationship. I feel we're making progress, we're in sync with our energy is everything. Can we take this relationship further, or I see us being together? Can we do more? You should talk about it. It's still okay. So yes, the next I'm going to tell you, it's still okay for you to talk about what you want to accomplish with that person. Share your dreams and your future with the person. At this point, you guys need to talk. You guys are very vulnerable. Make plans and then take up your journey from there. So it is okay that you interact with your partner. It is okay you share this sensitive topic with him or her. See, it's only after sex that you get to see post after sex post period is the perfect time for you to have a certain conversation. You guys pour out your feelings out there for each other. So it is okay. It is okay. For those that find it very awkward and embarrassing to share some things, you have to stop. You learn to express yourself because this is the time you get to know your partner. If truly this person loves you, if truly this person wants to be with you, if truly this person appreciates you, if truly this person is well deserving of you, it is okay to want more. It is okay to dream more. It is okay to share your experiences. Think about your little beginning, how you started, one or two events that is really something to share about. You both can raise your past memories and then take it up from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to click on the notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop your comments. Don't forget to like this video and share my video. Thank you so much.